A year ago, I got a carbon fiber license plate frame for my Mark IV Supra from Carbon Fiber Gear. And I get a question often, was it worth it? Well, absolutely. Not only was it worth it, but I got 3 more to install on the rest of my cars. So let's go take a look what I got and see how they fit onto the cars.
The first thing I noticed was the packaging. Everything arrived really nicely packed with each license plate frame in its own individual box. I also received a hardware kit for each frame, which included 3 different fastener options along with 2 plastic covers to hide the screws or the bolt heads for a cleaner look. Another nice touch was the envelope inside the package. It included the invoice information about the brand and a few of their other products. Now, let's open these boxes and take a look at the actual frames. My first impression is that they look and feel very high quality. The carbon fiber weave looks really well done, and the gloss finish I chose has a nice deep shine to it. They also offer these in a matte finish if that's more of your style. Flipping them over, the backside is very clean, and the frame has a nice balance of rigidity and flexibility. It feels sturdy without feeling brittle. Overall, these make a really strong first impression. Also, being handmade gives it a nice little touch.
First thing we're gonna do is we're going to install the license plate cover on my Supra. It doesn't have anything right now, and I think this would be an awesome addition. So we have a license plate cover. Looks even better in the daylight, to be honest. I have my screwdriver, and I have the fasteners. So as mentioned, they come with different lengths and different types of fasteners, mostly just for the 2 supports right here for 2 fasteners. So if you need 4, you probably want to look into getting your own set. Last time I used that last year, that didn't work for my other Supra. We'll see if this new fastener sets will work for this one. Very excited to try. We're gonna go with fastener covers too. This is actually really great. I can get little covers and my fasteners. This is the one I'm gonna go with. I think it turns out pretty cool. What do you guys think? I think it frames the car way better than before. So the next car we're going to be installing the carbon fiber license plate cover is my daily. It's a Bronco, not just a sports car. And I have not had any license plate covers on this one, and I've been looking to upgrade. So let's see how it turns out. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really, really well. And I really like this fastener covers. Makes it look so much cleaner. Take a closer look. All right, and the last car, we're gonna put the new carbon fiber license plate cover on my race car, the RS3. This is my baby right now. This looks very, very hideous, and I don't like it. We're gonna get that off. Now, really quickly, I wanna mention, those who own Audis, do keep in mind that you do get this plastic license plate holder. I don't know what really it's called, that comes on all Audis. I had to trim mine because the carbon fiber license plate holder, or even this crappy Audi one, does not really fit over it, and a lot of that plastic sticks out. I personally do not like that look. I like a flash look. So I just used the bandsaw and trimmed it around a little bit and reinstalled it. So you guys can do that, or you can leave the plastic in. Here's what it looks like when you have the plastic sticking out. I have 4 fasteners that I need, and I want them to match. So I actually went with Allen type bolts, just so that they match. Well, what do you guys think? I think it turned out actually very, very well. Well guys, there you have it. Let me know what you think. I absolutely love them. And let me just mention something. When I originally founded Carbon Fiber Gear and their product, I was looking on other places like Amazon, eBay, and to be honest, a lot of them that sold on Amazon are not real carbon fiber. I wanted real one, and this one is real. And one thing that I learned in the process of searching and doing my own research is that this is also handmade by a local US family. So if you do go and buy this product, you're supporting a local American business and a local American family. And I think that's great. So let me know what you think, and let me know if you've tried it too.